In a world overflowing with stores selling fast and cheap women's fashion, at TOGS and DAK we are not just another fashion label or online boutique. Our vision, values, and integrity represent so much more. Our mission at TOGS and DAK is to provide women with high-quality clothing that is ethically and socially sustainable, as well as being made and manufactured in the USA. A percentage of every sale will be donated to the nonprofit organization HOW. HOW stands for Helping Orphans Worldwide, and they provide hope, help, security to abused and abandoned and neglected children.